If you watch my last few videos, I've been taking some measurements on my custom-made KT 22-inch whoop. I got it set up here with the Insta 360 Go 2, which is my normal filming configuration on a quad of this size. I just did a bunch of testing with a bunch of batteries. You can look at the prior video on that. There should be a link in the upper right corner. But then today I decided I would also do a bunch of testing with propellers to see which would be the best match to this particular drone with the amount of weight that I got set up on this. The dry weight is 124 grams. So what I did is I took a bunch of my 2S batteries, which I know gives about 2 minutes of runtime before the batteries are drained down to 3.5 volts per cell. Charged them all the way up, and then I ran a set of 3 flights with each propeller set on the drone, trying to figure out which ones would give me the best run time, and then any other factors that I might consider important, like controllability or noise. Turns out they're all essentially the same with that. Some of the ones with more props, the 4 and the 6, have a little bit more controllability. You can sit and hover in a more stable configuration with the more props you have, but maybe you might not get the runtime. So that was what the testing was all about. So let's look at the different ones that I tested. First set here are the HQ, basically 2025s, 2x25, 3 blade. The next are some Gemfan 2035s, 4 blades. The next are some Gemfan 2023s, 3 blade. Some Gemfan Hulky 2040s, 3 blade. Then we have some Emax Avon Blur props, which I've had good success with those on other quads. Then these are Gemfan 2020s, 4 blades, and that's what I had on my drone that I was rebuilding using this frame. So I've got some experience with these props. And then the props that I have on here now are 6 blade HQ T51s. So let's go over the results. So rather than give you the number of minutes and seconds, I'll just tell you that the winner was this 6 blade T51. Gave me the most run time of all of them. And then we're going to go down the line, and I actually put them in order here of best to worst. So the next best was the Gemfan 2020s. They gave 97% of the flight time that I got out of the T51s. The Avon the Avon Blur gave 96%. So you got 96, 97, 100%. We go to the back row here. The 2040s gave 89% of the performance of the best one. The 2023s also 89%, so these are very similar in performance. Then we got the Gemfan 2035s. We're now down to 71%. So for every 100 seconds I would get here, I'd only get 71 seconds out of these props here. And then the worst ones were these HQ 2025s, which, you know, again, you cannot look at a prop and really be able to determine how good or how not so good it's going to do. So that's why I ran the test. So there you go. It's pretty easy to do. and I'm glad I did it. Now I'm going to be basically flying with these sets and maybe the GemPam 2020s as I try maybe some larger batteries. I'm feeling that I'll get the most flight performance out of these three different props I got in the front here. Alright, I hope that helps you. Thanks for watching.